Lesson 106. All right, you're going to basically learn how to read a number that has many decimal places. Okay, so let's talk about the decimal places. Okay, somebody tell me what, let's just do 4 of them. To the left of the decimal, help me determine what each of these places are. Yes?
You forgot to change the number up there.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so for this, what would my first spot be right here?
A ones.
A ones. Okay, this should just be completely review. What would this be?
Choose.
No. 10's good. Okay.
Hundreds.
Hundreds. I'm just going to put hun.
And then 1,000.
And then 1,000. I'm just going to put th for thousands. Okay, now let's go to the right of the decimal, and I'm going to go 5 places.
Can I go?
Go where?
Can I do it?
You want to do one? Okay. What is this spot right here?
Once.
10.
Okay.
Tenths.
Okay, tenths. Now, the way that I always remember that is, let's say I had $5.40. This would be 4 dimes, right?
Mm-hmm.
So dimes are in tenths. Okay, that's how I remember in my head. So it may help you. I don't know, but just know that this one starts with tenths. Okay. Everybody remember the THS's at the end? Okay, what's this one?
Hundreds.
Hundredths. THS. Does everybody see what I'm doing? Hundredths. Okay?
Thousandths.
Thousandths.
It's THTHS.
Does everybody know what I'm doing? I'm just kind of briefly. Okay, this one is?
Millions.
10 thousandths.
What do you
10
think?
million.
10 thousandths.
10 thousandths. Everybody remember that it's in groups of 3s. So you say, well, ones, tens, hundreds, and then thousands, and then it keeps going in groups of 3. So this one will be 10 thousandths. Okay? What comes after 10 thousandths? 100 thousandths. Okay? And then if I did have another one, what would it be?
Millions.
Very good. Millions.
Keep going, pretty much.
Okay? Millions. Got it? Okay, so stay with me. If I told you to use words to name this number, here's what I want you to say. You always say what's before the decimal, 12, and then you read what's behind the decimal, 625,
Thousandths.
and then you say what the very last spot is. You say that. So here's what I would say. 12 and 625 thousandths. See how you read it? And so if I asked you to write that, you would write it like this. 12 and 625 thousandths. This is how you would write that as words, and that's how you would say it.
That's cool.
Got it? So you just read the number and read the
I
number.
already learned this.
Did you? That's
Yeah.
good. It may just be a review.
Wow.
Okay? Does everybody feel like they got it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do a few more things. Okay? If I had the number 7.345, who wants to read that one for me? Go for it, Izzy.
Is it that one?
No one calls you Izzy?
No.
I saw something downstairs.
There's a girl in our class named Izzy, so we
Okay. Go ahead, Isabel.
7 and 345 thousandths.
Yes, 7 and 345, and it's in the thousands place where it stops. Okay, very good. Now, if I told you to round this number to the nearest whole number, what would you tell me?
7.
It's 7? Does everybody agree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay? Because if it helps you, you can think of 750.
Wait, is it by whole numbers?
Huh?
Is it
Whole
by-
numbers.
Okay.
Okay? Anything after 50 or 50 and above, you would change it to 80. Or to 8. Does everybody realize that? Okay. But it is definitely 50 or below, so it would stay as 7. Okay. What if I told you to compare 4.5 with 4.456? First of all, Garrett, read this one to me.
4 and 456
Very good. Okay, Levi, read this one for me.
Do nothing.
4 and 5/10.
4 and 5/10. Excellent job. Okay, who remembers how I told you to set these up for us to determine which one's bigger?
Line up the decimals.
Yes. So I'm going to take 4.5 or 4 and 5/10 and 4 and 456 thousandths. What should I put here?
2 zeros.
2 zeros. Excellent job. Now, can you easily see which one is bigger now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
So 4.5 is?
4.5 is bigger. Okay? Does everybody see that?
Yes.
Okay, so we would actually do this, even though this one had more numbers.
I was thinking just because 446 or 56
Right.
like thousand.
But the value is different because remember I could add another 0 to each of those. Doesn't matter. Okay? So does everybody see how that one's bigger? Because I have, let's pretend this was money. Sarah Kate, I would have 5 dimes, 4 dimes.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Okay, so we definitely want to choose this one as it. Okay? Everybody got it? All right. Help me out. I'm going to let you do this one by yourself. Please don't look at your book. I want you to try it on your own. And I want you to line them up with decimals.
Wait.
Line them up from least to greatest. Sorry, I just kind of went whoop
Alright.
down with it. Oops.
Did I get it?
Excellent job. Yes. Now, go on. Oh, you want to? Okay. I see. I would
Put
go
it from least
ooh,
to greatest?
Yeah, put them from least to greatest, and I would go in and fill everything else in with zeros. Yep. Perfect. Now, go from least to greatest.
I did.
I see one error. How are you doing? Line them up. Line up the decimals. Oh, did you already do it?
I don't see the error.
Have you put them in order yet?
Oh my goodness, I did that wrong.
Close. I see one error.
I'm gonna do mine on this paper. I don't see the error.
Hers or yours?
Mine.
Which one's least?
Okay.
Let's see this though. That would be the most.
It's not.
Okay. I'm gonna line them up.
Oh,
Okay,
wait.
dude, I got it.
I don't understand
Yeah,
it.
you did that.
Okay, I'm gonna help you.
Down on the wrong side of the paper. I fixed it. I did it on the wrong side of the paper.
Okay. I haven't put them in order yet. I just took these and lined them up vertically. Now I'm gonna fill everything else in with zeros. Okay. Now let's pretend like we're just looking at these numbers at first. Which one is going to be my smallest? Because this one has 0 dimes. This one has 5, 4, and 4.
0.
The 0 is going to be first. I'm going to put a 1 right here. That's my very first one. Good job. Okay? What's going to come next?
The
4.5.
0.4.
One of something, one of these, right? Because
Five.
4
One with
dimes is
5.
less than 5 dimes.
The one with the
So
only
this
5.
one has 4, 5, 0.
Yeah,
This
the
one
one
has
with the
4,
4,
5,
5,
7. 0 or 7 smaller?
0.
0.
But
Everybody see that?
0.
See the 4 right here? You can see the 5s, those match. So far, these two are the same. 5 and 5 are the same. This one, the 0 and the 7. The 0 is smaller than the 7. So this one would be my second. Does everybody get that?
Which one? What?
4, 5, 0, 0? Because look, We're looking at these two. Do you understand that one? Okay, so now look, I have 4 dimes, 5 pennies, 5 pennies, and this one's called a mill, which you don't understand. But 0 mills and 7 mills. M-I-L-L, not like an eating meal.
Like
Okay?
what was-
So pretend these were pennies, just because that's all your brain can understand. This one has 0 pennies and this one has 7. Which one has less?
0.
0. So this one is our second one. This one was our first. This one's our second. This one would be our third in line from least to greatest. Everybody understanding?
Oh.
Okay. And then fourth in line would be this one because it had 4 dimes. Or 5
I
dimes.
realized something.
What's that?
So, like, basically how I can sort of remember it, sort of, is that it's kind of like the most looking one, like the one that you think has the most,
Mhm.
is actually.
It's not always going to be like that.
least.
But on this one it did.
I actually can probably see, like, you don't even have to add more of them because you know, like, that like 5 is the biggest number out
Right.
of all of them
Mhm.
beginning
So-
ones.
You would just then, from there, write them in order. I would put this one first, comma. This one second, comma. This one third, comma. And then this one fourth. So everybody got it?
Yeah, this was on the mixed practice and we didn't learn how to do this yet,
Already?
so I don't know.
I hate when they do that. I'm sorry. It's okay.
I got it wrong though.
Yeah, I bet you did. You hadn't learned how to do it yet. So, no worries. Okay. Here's what they tell me. To write this as an unreduced fraction. What
this was
in the
also-
world
This was also on the mixed.
are they saying?
It was?
To write this decimal number as an unreduced fraction. Oh, you think you know?
Wait.
Okay, let me ask you this. Let's look at this number, 0.5. How would I write that as a fraction? Does anybody know? No?
Yeah.
I just knew the answer to that.
Okay, well, wait just a minute. Let's go to a little small one first.
Is it 475 hundredths out of 1,000?
Almost. You're getting close, okay? So watch this. What place is that in? Okay? Do y'all remember then that makes this 5/10? Do y'all remember learning that? That was a long time ago.
Yeah.
But this is in the 10th spot, so we say 5/10. Does everybody remember that? Try this one.
If that's in the 1,000 spot.
This is tenths, hundredths, so I would say 57/100. Anybody remember
But
this?
then that was
That's
right.
40.
You don't remember? Does it make sense to you right now when I'm saying it? Okay. What if I said 0.375
375
hundredths,
over 1,000.
thousandths? So I would say
Is it
375 over
475?
thousandths. Okay, but this one, tenths, hundredths, thousandths,
Millions.
10,000ths. So I would put 475. If you want to put the 0, you can. It still has the value of 475 over, what did I say? 10,000ths.
That's a lot. Okay.
Got it? So, and they told us to do an unreduced fraction because, do you want to reduce that? Me neither. Okay, so everybody got it? Levi, do you get it? Okay. Why did it say unreduced fraction?
Because
That would be crazy, right? That would be hard to reduce, right?
Yes.
Okay, so, Levi, read this to me.
that
Uh-huh.
475 million?
Uh-uh.
10,000.
Yes, whatever place it stops, that's what you're going to say. So, tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000. So, I would say 475 10,000ths. So, if you wrote that, you would say 475 10,000ths.
Oh.
So I didn't have to use the word and because the and was right here. So there was nothing right here, so I wouldn't say 0 and. You can just don't even have to say the 0. Okay, so you would just start with just this. Does everybody understand? All right. That is lesson 106.